Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics by Anuj. So today we have started electric potential and energy. So let's start it. First we have given that Q1 is placed at point A and Q2 is placed at point B. We have to find potential energy between Q1 and Q2. We move Q2 from a point R. Let's this be a thickness of dr. Charge q1 is fixed and we know that force is k q1 q2 by r square, which is towards AB. Now work done is equal to F into T. So dW means work done for a small interval is equal to k q1 q2 by r square into dr, means very small displacement, which is denoted by dr. So if we find the whole work done between points B and C, then we have to integrate dW from R1 point R1 to point R2, means point B to C. Okay, so work done formula k q1 q2 by r square into dr, we integrated by the rules of integration. We have this formula k q1 q2 1 upon r minus 1 upon r2. We also know that change in potential energy is minus of work done by a body. Okay, so if we put minus sign before change in work done, then we will get change in potential energy. We only replace r2 and r1 because minus sign is common and cancel with outer minus sign. Okay, now by taking r2 is equal to infinity, ur is equal to ur minus u infinity, q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon infinity. So why we take r2 to be infinity? We take r2 at infinity to simple our calculation, because 1 upon infinity becomes 0. So this can help to reduce our calculation. So q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught by r, this is the change in potential energy. This is can also be written in the form of k q1 q2 by r. Now let's talk about electric potential. So first question arises that what is electric potential? Electric potential is the amount of work energy, is the amount of work, not work energy needed to move a unit of electric charge from a reference point in an electric field with negligible acceleration of test charge to avoid produce kinetic energy or radiation by test charge. Means electric potential is the amount of work done by that we do not change its kinetic energy or the charge does not radiate any energy, means overall work is conserved. Okay, also we can define potential energy in other definition. Potential at point A is equal to change in electric potential energy. Okay, electric potential energy per unit test charge when it is moved from the reference point to the point A, means VA can be written as VA minus VP, which also be written as UA minus UP upon Q. UA and UP is change in potential energy, change in potential energy. Hence potential can be written in the form of change in potential energy upon charge. So we have to now calculate a electric potential due to a point charge. What is the electric potential due to a point charge? Let us take reference point B, r is equal to infinity. Just we have concluded that Why we take r is equal to infinity? Because r is equal to infinity, potential energy becomes 0 at infinity. Then we have to, okay, let this is a point, this is p point, this is charge q, this is another charge q, separated by a distance r. Change in potential energy becomes up minus u infinity is equal to kqd by r. Okay, potential at p can be written as vp is equal to change in potential energy divided by q. Okay, so what is the formula of change in potential energy? The formula of change in potential energy is kq by r, which is divided by q. Okay, q and q is cancelled, then we have to find this formula. Okay, now we have to talk about relation between fields and potential. We know that F is equal to QE. In previous classes we have read that. Okay, dW is equal to F dot dr, which is can be also force can be also written as Q into E, QE dot dr. Du, change in potential energy, is the negative sign of change in work done. Hence we put minus from this. Okay, change in potential energy, potential can be written as dV is equal to du upon q. Okay, dV can also be written as, because du can also be written as minus q e dot dr, minus equal to minus q e dot dr by q. q से q cancel, then what we will get? We will get dV is equal to minus e dot dr. If we integrated it from r1 to r2, then we find change in potential. Hence this is the relation between potential and electric field. This is the very most important relation. Okay, potential is decreases in the direction of electric field. Also, this is also most important line, that electric field means, let us say this is a charge q, this has electric lines of force originated from charge q, this represents the direction of electric field. Let us say this is the point vp, this is the point vq. Electric field, in the direction of electric field increases, as you can see. So in the direction of electric field, potential is decreases, means vq is less than vp is greater than vq, because potential is decreases if we move in the direction of electric field. Now one most important thing, which is equipotential surface. Equipotential surface is that surface in which potential is same. All over the surface potential is same. For example, this is the equipotential surface, this is electric field lines originated from a charge q. Let us say this is a charge q, this is equipotential surface, because at that point electric field is same. Also this is, you can say this is a radius of a circle. So what is the potential? Potential is equal to E R. Hence E is same, means electric field is same, R is also same, then V is also same. So this becomes equipotential surface. Equipotential surface, one also most important point is that electric field is perpendicular
Please
to the
like and share my
equipotential
video and also
surface.
subscribe.
So our discussion has been ended. Thank you.